Hello and welcome to Lower Providence Community Library's video on how to change your font on an Amazon Kindle. So here is my book, and for whatever reason I'm not feeling this font, so I am going to hit the top of the page and you'll see that this is my tray with my options, and we are going to focus on the font. So big A, little a, these are your font options. And so first it opens up to my themes, and I'm okay with my theme. That's your spacing. You can add custom themes. Your book may have its own theme, but we're going to focus on font. So I'm going to click the font button, and we're going to see font family. You can change the boldness of your font, and you can even, this is where you can change the size. So I'm happy with the boldness and the size, but I'd like to change the font family. So I'm going to hit font family, and here are all the available fonts for this particular book. And one of the fonts I want to highlight is the OpenDyslexic font. This is one of Amazon Kindle's accessibility font. And in order to leave this window, we're just going to click out, and you'll be able to see this font is special because it's a weighted font. So people who have dyslexia or other vision issues, they use this font. And some people even use it because they say they can read faster with it. It takes a little bit of getting used to, but I actually do enjoy this font. And it does help, I think. So that's how you can change it. So why don't we work backwards so I can show you again how to change your font. So let's say for whatever reason, I'm not feeling this font either. You're going to click your page up at the top, not change it like I just did, go up towards the top. We're going to hit the big A, little a, and then I'm going to move it back to the Bookerly. That was the classic standard font for this particular book. So now I'm finished in here, and I'm just going to hit my book, and it's going to go back, and I can continue reading. Thank you so much.